Right guys, so this is a time-lapse video. Should be a video up in the corner where I walk through this time-lapse video and I talk it through step by step how we laid the blocks, what methods we use, what sub-base we use, why we did things. If you like what you're seeing, like, comment and subscribe. Give us a comment on if you do things differently or how you feel about the way we do it. Great to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.